Here she is. That's a 1998 or 99 pontoon. 50 horse Johnson on it. Original engine, not original, but just the engine the boat came with. Starts and runs beautiful. I was blown away. Got there and it was parked in the corner. He hopped up there and it busted right off. I mean, considering it's cold, it busted right off. Sounds really healthy. Pontoons in good shape. They're not all like pitted and corroded from corrosion from salt water and such. 18 foot. The biggest problem with this boat is the upholstery. This is the original upholstery to the boat. Not sure exactly what I'm going to do with it yet as far as upholstery goes. I know these seats in the back are staying. I'm going to recover them, and these speakers are going away. It has a radio and all that good stuff. It's just kind of outdated because these day and age, obviously, use MP3 player in your phone. These seats may go away, and maybe I'll put some like captain's chairs or something to fish from. So this is let's start it up. Before I turn the water on. Here we go. All right, there we go. You got to push in on that key to make the choke work, and I was pushing in on the key, choking it. Alright, this is me learning how to use a choke. It runs great. Alright. There she is, folks. Wanted a pontoon for a long time. Had a fiberglass boat at one point before this one. I guess fiberglass is great if you're into that. I just had a bad experience with mine. I'm just kind of done with it. This one here is good for, got plenty of room on it. It's aluminum, only rotting will do the floor. Not the end of the world. Apparently easy to change. Got plenty of room for 4, 5, 6 people. I'm not sure. I haven't looked to see how much it actually legally can hold as far as occupancy and weight, but this is it.